Hey guys, and I'm going to get a video which is there that is simply doing everyday makeup. Okay, simply everyday makeup. So let's get started. But first, guys, I get a concealer before I make this video. Cause my laptop has been restart or shadow. Oh my god. So let's get started. First, I'm going to get my curler, which is the makeup factory, and it's all you mean. This is, guys, dark blush, but I use it just like blush on or just eyeshadow, just like that. And I'm going to get
I'm Ian Lim, and I use Pond's Mist. Outdoor shoots, long hours, tiring days. These are all part of my job. So how do I still look energized? Pond's Mist. This is energizing coffee for my skin with coffee bean extract. New Pond's Mist Energy Charge Facial Foam. Not only brightens,
look at my palette. So I'm going to use
now would you settle for a dull, tired look every day? I wouldn't.
That brown.
Get energized. Pond's Mist Energy Charge.
Buy bottles look under the counter. You're the next lucky winner to contact me. 15,000 pesos in Mogu Mogu products. Join the Mogu Mogu Boom Boom promo.
So I'm gonna to get this optimizer
blower. Ang salary ng Talking Text Only Plus Money. Only text, only Facebook, plus 30 minutes calls to Talking Text. Smart and Son for 2 days. Text 3320 to 4545. Pwede pang dagdagan ng extra 1 day. 5 pesos lang. Text extra to 4545. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang saya.
Just look, it's just like golden brown naked. Look. So that's like everything. Okay.
Sa lahat mapuno, una lang ka. Now and 10 pesos Sa lahat mapalagpig ang lamon. Now and 10 pesos Sa lahat manalo. Now and 10 pesos
I'm Ian Lim, and I use Pond's Mist with coffee bean extract. New Pond's Mist Energy Charge Facial Foam. Not only brightens by cleansing away oil, dirt, and dung, but it also energizes my skin. Get energized. Pond's Mist.
Live report mula sa Surf Challenge. The Surf Dishwash with real lemon extract.
So I'm done. So look, my eyes. It's just like naked. So now I'm gonna try to get some black for my eyeliner. I'm using this, so I'm gonna get and try a little bit with blush.
Chocolate ice cream, strawberry sauce, and chocolate dip with a crunchy chocolate tip. Use Electric Cornetto Taylor Swift Platform Tip. New Vaseline Men Anti-Acne Face Wash. By 7.
So I just tried this up.
For 7 times more Hoggy Points.
It's just like a liquid eyeliner.
Free whitening moisturizer.
So I'm
Sa
gonna
mundo
try
ng walang hanggang posibilidad, nagtatago ang bayang biniliyaan ng walang kapares na kayamanan. Ito ang bayan ng aking sinilangan, kung saan lubos na pinahalagaan ang katang-tanging yaman, ang talento ng kanyang pamamayan. Sikat sa marami, pero mayroon talagang nagmumukod tayo. Ilan pa lang sa mga may kakaibang talento ang nasasaksihan ko. Ang iba'y naghihintay pa. Nagtatago. Kaya ngayon, sila'y sasadyain at lilipulin ko sa tulong ng mahusay kong kaagapan. Pagsasama-samahin namin ang lahat ng may mga talento at muli namin bubuksan at payayabunin ang entablado ng mga Pilipino may pampihirang talento.
This program is brought to you by Surf Powders with Sadcon. Malinis,
I'm
mawala,
gonna-
at walang kasing bango.
Again.
Surf Powder, may Sadcon na. 5 pesos lang.
I got.
Alam ko narito ka lang sa paligid. Lumabas ka na! Lumabas ka, Pillsbury!
Okay, so this is so much meat than this.
Baka pwede muna tayo mag-usap.
Nasa na mga kasama mo?
Ang totoo, nasa likod mo lang. Susi!
I'm done. Look, okay, so this is just a little bit dry, a little bit wet. Now put on my makeup.
Unahin ko lang siya.
So this one just like no one,
Kaya ilalagay itong susi.
no makeup. And next, I'm not gonna going to get this brush me up. I'm gonna going to get my brush and inspire up. And just like I'm gonna go.
Yung paa mo, papa, ano, serum ko yung paa mo. Kumuha din ako. Ano ko na? Wala din. Lock. Oo. Oo. Ilang muna sa akin, bakit balik ako ilang ulit, makasama pa ako. Ganun din sa akin kaya. Oo, diba? Dalawa.
Malaya ka na.
Si Ate Lydia mo, pareho kayo. Sila? Kanya pala yung sis. Ha? Ate Lydia pala yung sis nila. Kasi oo. Bagay tama. Ako lang.
And a little bit.
Sige, babush. Oo. Kaya na po ha. Kasi naman, nandiyan pala to. Kaya pala babush. Uy, pagkala po, girl. Sige, baby, yata mo pa. Oo. Pagdating na ng allowance mo ha.
Okay. I'm gonna. Next, okay, I'm gonna put this on and you know what? I'm gonna buy this. Find this color. I'm gonna going to get this a little bit.
Hindi lang pa akong gawin dito.
I'm gonna go to sit in the mirror. I'm gonna go to see. Makeup every day. So, see you guys next week on our new at